Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn on power saving mode in FC Mobile. First of all, launch open your FC Mobile game on your device. Once you're in the home page of FC Mobile, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you do that, from the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on the pencil button right next to graphics. Now under the display tab at the top left, tap on Power Saver right next to graphics. Soon after you tap on Power Saver, click on Save at the bottom right, and then you'll need to reboot the game to apply the change. Go ahead and restart your game, and you will be able to turn on the power saving mode in FC Mobile. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.